everyone, my name is Liza, Dydyshka, and I'm a team leader at Horus Group with Keller here in Nashville. And I've been helping buyers and sellers in the last 5 years, and so I'm excited to share with you 5 things that you can do as a seller to make sure you get a top dollar for your home. If you are someone out there who's thinking about making a move the next couple of months, this video will be definitely helpful for you. So the first and the least expensive thing that you can do to your house, make sure you declutter. Make sure your kitchen cabinets look good, your bathrooms look good. You take all the stuff that shouldn't be there away, and for the time being, I know it can be a hassle, and I know you live there, sometimes it may be not as comfortable for you, but if you want to sell your house for top dollar, if you want to get maximum exposure and as many buyers through your house as possible, so you get the best offer you can get in the market, then you need to make sure that your house looks good. Second thing that you can do to your home that is going to cost you literally no money out of your pocket is make sure you remove all your personal pictures and photos from everywhere around your house. You know, by the bed, on the walls, you know, in the bathrooms, wherever they are. You want to make sure that when a buyer is walking through your home, they can envision themselves living in a house with their family. The third thing that we recommend to do when you're selling your home is make sure you take care of all the little repairs around the house. Make sure everything is in working condition, as much as you can, of course. If there is something that you know should be fixed or should have been fixed a long time ago, now is the time. Now that you decluttered your house, you removed all the personal photos from the wall, and you've done all the minor repairs, now is the time to price your home, right? The price is so important when it comes to selling your house for top dollar. I know, as a seller and somebody who lived in a home for many years and had all those memories, you think that your home is worth millions of dollars, and I totally understand that. However, you've got to be realistic, and you have to listen to the market if you're serious about making the move. So look at the comps in the area, talk to your real estate professional, look at the market, what's happening, and determine the right price for your home. Last but not least, make sure you're working with the right real estate broker. Guys, hiring the wrong agent may cost you thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. We'll make sure we get back with you right away. If you have any questions or you would like to have a free market evaluation on your home, give us a call at 615-260-2964. We'll be more than happy to come out to your home, give you a free market analysis, no obligations for you. Again, thanks for watching, and it was Lisa with Horus Group at Keller.